Hello students, YouTube channel DRS Maths welcomes you all. Today we are going to discuss the comparison between fractions. In the last lecture, we have discussed what is fraction and what is the kinds of fraction, that is different types of fractions. Today we are going to learn and know how the fractions are being compared. Comparison means to know which fraction is smaller, which one is greater, and how we can arrange them in ascending or descending order, or to find out the smallest or largest fraction. Before that, it's a kind request that till now, if you haven't followed DRS Maths, please follow DRS Maths, like videos, share videos with your friends if you like it, and give your views in the comment box too. So let's start. Two or more fractions can be compared in different ways. Few of them we are going to discuss here. First method is cross multiplication method. In this method, suppose there are the two fractions as a by b and c by d. We have to compare. Do one thing, just cross multiply both the fractions. That is a multiplied to d, written ad, b multiplied to c, written bc. If this ad, that is AD, is greater than BC, then we can say that the first fraction A by B is greater than C by D. And if this AD is less than BC, then we can say that the first fraction is less than the second fraction. Right? How you know that which one is greater and which one is smaller? So the symbol is this. The side at which it is open, that section is greater. The side at which it is closed, that section is smaller. So it's open towards AD, so AD is greater, BC is smaller. Open towards BC, so BC is greater, AD is smaller. This is the meaning of symbol. Now we are going to see some examples. First one is compare 9 by 13 and 17 by 26. We just cross multiply 9 into 26, 9 6 are 54, 5, 9 2 is 18, 5 23, and it is 13 into 17, 17 3 is 51, 5, 13, 17 1 is 17 plus 5, that is 22. So 234 is greater than 221. So 234 just from this. So 9 by 13 is greater than 17 by 26. The second example, compare 16 by 19 and 13 by 17, just cross multiply. 16 into 17, value is 272. 19 into 13, the value is 247. Since 272 is greater than 247, so 16 by 19 is greater than 13 by 17. This is the way how the cross multiplication method is applied. Now the second method is LCM method, right? That is least common multiple method. For example, just see an example and we will discuss. There is 3 by 4, 2 by 5 and 7 by 10. These are the three fractions we want to compare. Take the LCM of their denominators, that is LCM of 4, 5 and 10. Divided by 2, then 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, then again by 2, 2 1s are 2, then by 5. So the LCM is 2 into 2 into 5, that is 20. So basically you can take a LCM, or you can write a number which is divided by all denominators. Write the value in the denominator, divide this value by each denominator. 20 divided by 4 gives 5. Multiply that 5 with 3, 5 3s are 15. 5 divides 20 gives quotient 4. 4 2s are 8. Then 10 2s are 20, 2 7s are 14. Now the values, which one is the smallest? 8 in middle, that is this one, the smallest. And this is 15, the largest, that is 3 by 4. 14 in middle one, that is 7 by 10. So arrange the fraction accordingly in ascending order. The smallest one, that is 2 by 8 first, then 7 by 10, and then 3 by 4. So 7 by 10 is greater than 2 by 5 and 3 by 4 is greater than 7 by 10. So this is the ascending order of the fractions. Now see the second example. There are the fractions 4 by 15, 2 by 25, 6 by 15, 7 by 10. The LCM you can write directly also. Take the numbers maximum times. That as you are seeing here, 3, 5 and 2 is here. 5 maximum 2 times, so write it's 2 times. 3 maximum 1 time, so write 3 here. 2 only 1 time, so write 2 here. Multiply all, you will get 150 as a LCM, or take any number which is divisible by all the numbers, that is 300, 450, whatever you want. Write the value here. Divide 150 by 15, value is 10, 10 4 is 40. 150 divided by 25 gives 6, 6 2 is 12. By 15 it is 10, 10 6 is 60. By divided by 10 it is 15 7 is 105. You want to arrange it in the descending order. So for that, write the highest value in the first. 105, that is 7 by 10, the largest one. Then after 60, that is second, it is 6 by 15. Then after 40, that is 4 by 15. And then at the last it is 12, that is 2 by 25. So this is the second method to compare the fractions, that is by LCM method. Now the next is third one, by the difference of numerator and denominator. For this we have to focus only on the two things, that is the difference of numerator and denominator should be constant, that is it is the same for all fractions. If you are going to take the difference, that should be the fixed for all. And if the numerator is less than denominator, and the second condition when the numerator is greater than the denominator, right? Here when numerator is less than denominator and difference is constant, then the fraction which is having greater numerator, that will be greater with the fraction having the smaller numerator. See, the fractions 3 by 4, 5 by 6, 6 by 7, 2 by 3, 4 by 5. They all are having the difference of numerator and denominator as 1. And every fraction has numerator is less than denominator. What it means? The fraction having greater numerator will be greater and the fraction having smaller numerator will be smaller. So arrange them in ascending order. So the smaller numerator first and greater numerator at the last. Smaller 2 by 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. And the fraction is 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6, 6 by 7. This is in the ascending order. Similarly for the second, when the difference of numerator and denominator is fixed, but the numerator is greater than the denominator, at this time, fraction with smallest numerator is greater than the fraction with greater numerator. Write it here, that is 7 by 14, 11 by 14 by 11, 11 by 8, 10 by 7, 8 by 5. They all are having the differences 3 and every numerator is greater than denominator. This time you want the fraction in descending order. So the numerator with the fraction with the smallest numerator comes first, then after accordingly 8, then 10, then 11, then 14. So it is 7 by 4, 8 by 5, 10 by 7, 11 by 8 and 14 by 11. This is the fraction in the descending orders. Next thing, one more thing, when our numerators are equal and in the fractions having smaller denominators, numerators are equal and the fractions are having smallest denominator will be greater. For example, it is 7 divided among 4, 7 divided among 5. So who is going to get more value? That is 7 by 4 is the greater value in compared to the 7 by 5. That is, if numerator is same, the smaller denominator is greater, and when denominator is equal, then the greater numerator will be equal, right? The next thing is the last method, that is by the division method. How we get? Whatever the fraction is given, divide them. That is, every numerator divided by denominator. After dividing, you will get definitely a decimal number, and by that value we are going to compare it. For example, 4 by 13. We have divided 4 by 13. We are getting it is 0.40. 13 3 is 39. 1, 10, 0. Then 100. 13 7 is 91. That is point. Similarly, 0.307. Similarly, 7 by 29. It is 0.241. 5 by 11, that is 0.454, 3 by 5, that is it is 0.6, and 11 by 15, that is 0.733. So the smallest value is this one, 0.241, and the largest value is 0.733. So the smallest fraction is 7 by 29 and the greatest fraction is 11 by 15. But one short trick is here. We have to find out P and Q. What is P and Q? That is, we have to find that is P and Q. What is P? The number of maximum number of digits in the numerator of the fractions. And what is Q? That is the maximum number of digits in the denominators. Then we have to take the difference of P and Q. If this difference P and Q is 0 or 1, then multiply all the fractions with 10. and if this difference is 2, 3 or 4, then multiply the fraction respectively. If it is 2, multiply that is with the 10 to the power 2, that is 100. If it is 3, then multiply with 1000, and if it is 4, then multiply 10 to the power 4, that is 10,000. And then compare the integer value which is after getting that, and what if the fractions are you get the values in the different ways, that is you can able to compare from the integer values, then it's okay. Otherwise take the decimal values. See here, it is 5 by 8, 7 by 9, 3 by 5, 5 by 7. The maximum number of digits in the numerator, that is 1, that is p is 1. Next, the maximum number of digits in all the denominators, that is 1, so q is 1. Difference of q and p is 0. So whenever you are getting the value 0 or 1, you have to multiply every fraction with 10. Multiply 5 by 8 into 10, 7 by 9 into 10, 3 by 5 into 10 and 5 by 7 into 10. What you are going to get integer value? 10 5s are 50, 50 divided by 8, 8 6s are 48. 70 divided by 9, 9 7s are 63. 5 it is what, 30 divided by 5, exactly 6. 5 by 7, it is 50 by 7, that is 7 7s are. Now you are seeing the values are, integral values are 6 6 and 7 7. We are unable to say which one is greater, which one is smaller. Then take the decimal values. Now here it is 50 by 8, 8 6s are 48. Then 220, 8 2s are 16. Here it is 7 7s are 63, 770, again 7 7s are, it is 7.7. It is exactly 6. 50 by 7, 7 7s are 49, 1 10, 7 1s are 7. So now you are able to compare. This is the smallest value, this is the greatest value. Arrange them. Smallest is 6. 6, that is 3 by 5 is smallest. Then after 6.2, that is 5 by 8. Then after 7.1, that is 5 by 7. Then after 7 by 9, that is 7.7. So you are able to arrange the fractions in such a way, right? So this is the way to compare the fractions with the different ways. Hope you will understand. Please give your views in the comment box also. Like the videos, and if you like it, please share it with your friends too. Thank you so much. We will meet in the next video. Till then, keep on watching videos by DRS Maths, and please follow the DRS Maths at YouTube and Unacademy, both the places, and share the videos by DRS Maths to your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.